My name is Bill. I work here in the Makerspace. I'm a maker educator. What the Makerspace is a series of high-tech stations that patrons can come in and book time on to use to work on their own projects. So there's quite extensive amount of things for people to use. Printer that we're going to look at today is this one. It's called a Replicator Plus. Pops in here like this, and we feed it through this tube. And at the bottom here, in a second, you'll see the filament coming out of the bottom. And we let it go long enough to make sure it's the color that we want, because we don't know what was in there before. Well, the goal is to have patrons come in, like I said, and work on their own projects. Because we're downtown, a lot of our patrons live in apartments and they don't have the room to have a lot of this kind of equipment. The snake, as an example, is called an articulated print. And when we printed it, it was rolled up in a circle, sort of like this, on the print bed, so it would fit on the print bed.
Okay.
And the interesting thing about it is that all the joints are printed as the whole snake is being printed. So because it prints from the bottom up, it creates the joints as it gets to the top.
Okay.
And then once it's finished, it just covers them up, and then as soon as you take it off the bed, it's flexible just like this. Some users just find objects on a couple websites that are available online, but some are designing their own objects from scratch and then coming in and printing them. This just adds another dimension to the library. People are coming to the library looking for more than just books nowadays, and it's a gathering place. So people like to come in, and I mean, some days we'll have 3 or 4 people in here, and they'll be conversing back and forth while they're working on their projects and things like that.